Hey, I didn't see you there. This is Travis at Four Seasons RV. Today we are checking out the Imagine 2920 BS. This is a fantastic family camper for these summer adventures coming up. We are sitting here looking at the front of the camper. You got your very large, very wide bunk beds, one on the bottom, one on top. As we look in here, additionally, each bunk bed has a nice cubby space with power outlets on each one. Closet here, and then 2 drawers for extra storage. As we move into the main living area, you're looking at these beautiful countertops. With the kitchen, you have an extendable counter here that just snaps into place, goes right back down. You have your large farmless stainless steel sink with plenty of cabinet space in the kitchen. Your microwave, 3-burner propane stove, and oven, as well as your 10 cubic foot 12-volt fridge here. For your dinette here, you have your nice U-shaped dinette with a table that folds down into a bed. Additionally, on the back here, there is a removable ottoman with storage space so that you can pull it out, use it as a nice kickstand if you need to. For your recliners, you're looking at manual recliners. These recliners also come with that LED accent light, heat, and massage. Across from your recliners, you have your pantry space, huge cabinet space that is super deep in here for all your storage needs. As we move to the back, we're going to walk through the bathroom here. You have your counter space with storage on each wall, on your wall over here, with a nice little medicine cabinet. On the back side of this door, they've mounted a towel rack for you, as well as your shower. These shower doors have a nice squeegee on them to get all the water off. Make sure you're not leaving mildew sitting in there as they roll in place. Coming back here into the very back, you're looking at your master bedroom. You got your queen size bed with huge storage compartment underneath with that awesome slidable drawer to give you a little bit extra storage space. For your dresser and your closet, you're looking at 2 closet spaces with a nice little desk space in between, and then very large deep drawers for your dresser. If you like this unit, don't forget to like and subscribe for new videos every Tuesday and Thursday, and come see us down at Four Seasons RV.
Four Seasons RV, where the fun begins. KansasRV.com